What's up, YouTube? Today we are going on a ride with my best friend Brad for his very first time on the highway. Let's let him know that we're here. Let's go. This is the first ride with the new seat. You can see it now that it's daytime. Lepera Maverick. Same seat that we talked about in episode 1 or 2. Just now got here. To say that it was well worth the wait. I'm gonna let you lead. So I'm gonna let you lead. That way you can, if you want to go highway, you can. If you don't, we don't have to. It's completely up to you. I don't want to lead and then bring you into a situation that you're not okay with. Just drive like everyone's trying to kill you. So those of you who didn't catch the last episode, Brad is a brand new rider. He actually was inspired to ride because of me. He was talking about how he wanted to ride and everything, and for his birthday I got him a certificate for a motorcycle safety course so he could go learn how to ride. And he's never done any highway riding before, so this will be his first time on the highway. For those who ride, you understand that's kind of a big deal because it can get, I would say it's pretty scary your first couple times. I mean, just think about it. If you've never ridden a motorcycle before, think of it this way. Have you ever hung your head out of a car window at highway speeds? Well, picture that on your entire body and nothing around you. So literally the car next to you is separated by nothing but air. I still have not washed my bike since Anderson. It's filthy. That's what I love about this color though, because it hides the dirt so well. You really want to see the dirtiness on the black parts. I'm already regretting not wearing my jacket. These dry fits are nice, but at highway speeds, they sit there and do this whipping stuff. It's a little painful after a while. So just a quick update on the Lepera seats. So far, I am absolutely loving it. It is so much more comfortable than the stock. Already, the difference is so noticeable. On my stock seat, even after 20-30 miles, I would already be feeling some pain. It handles these little bridge bumps. I mean, I can barely even feel them. Back on the stock seat, I would feel every single one of those. If I had one complaint about it, is that it does lower your seating position just a little bit. I wouldn't say by much, maybe a few inches at most. I would think probably between 1 or 2 inches, honestly. That's probably the extent of it. 1 to 2 inches doesn't sound like much, but when you're already a tall guy like me, that 1 to 2 inches is definitely noticeable. But on the plus side, if you're a shorter guy or a shorter girl and you're looking at getting a seat to kind of lower it, even though the Maverick is their most cushiony pad, it still does lower the seating position and provides a lot more comfort. Right now, just by an estimation, I would say it turned this bike from a 30 to 45 mile bike into probably a 100 to 150 mile bike. Now, of course, I won't know that for sure until I test it, and I thoroughly intend on doing so, but those are my estimations right off the bat. So if you notice, I let Brad lead for the first while. It's always good if you're riding with a new rider to kind of let them lead, especially if they know where they're going and it's not they're not having to focus on, you know, not getting lost or anything like that. Let them lead. That way they have control over the situation. So the reason I let him lead is so in case he wasn't comfortable with getting on the highway or not comfortable with, you know, making a turn here or making a lane change there, that's on him. I'll slow down, I will go to his speed. You don't want to drag a new rider into a situation that they can't handle or that they're not comfortable with. Now, if you're doing a group ride and you're a new rider, that's kind of going to be on you to keep up, but ride your own. Don't let the speed and pace of other riders determine how you ride. If you get separated from the group, oh well. I would much rather get lost than die. I've seen way too many riders go down in group rides because they're trying to keep up with the group and don't want to slow everyone down, and they end up coming too hot into a turn and going off the road. If you're in a big group ride and you're a new rider, just get in the back. There's nothing wrong with that. There's no shame in that. Take your time, go slow, roll your own. Don't put yourself in a situation that you don't want to be in or are not comfortable with, and just ride. If you get left behind, you'll catch up. I mean, it's not a life-changing event. It's not a big deal. When you're on a bike, I think is the one time in life that you should be as selfish as you possibly can. Like I said, roll your own, stay safe. I'm just so excited that my best friend rides now. I mean, it does kind of suck because he travels 5 days out of the week, so we won't get to ride every day or very often, but when we do ride, I have someone to ride with now, so that's very exciting. And if you haven't really caught on to it yet, I'm kind of the asshole friend, so if you're a fan of Suburban Delinquents videos where he's constantly screwing with Z, he's gonna be my Z. I send out my condolences to that mirror right now because it's going to get fucked with so much. We're taking the more direct route this time, so I apologize if it's boring and not very scenic. Oh, that bump's sketchy. So I apologize if it's not scenic and entertaining, but we are gonna take a pretty nice road on the way back. Oh, I don't think I told you where we were going today. We are on our way to X Factor Paintball Park. We actually had a tournament yesterday. We ended up getting 6th, which is, now we're out to support our D3 line. Done with X Factor. Let's go home. So I'm gonna fuck with Brad. I'm gonna move my hand because he was making fun of me for moving my hand while I ride and talk. So I'm gonna sit here and make him think that I'm talking about him, but he's gonna think, damn it. I'm gonna screw with Brad now. Go up there. He has no freaking clue what I was trying to tell him. We up in Stone Oak! We're up in Skid Vicious's territory. I think. I don't know. That's where all his videos are shot, so I'm going to assume he's from this area. Oh, here he comes. Here he comes. I almost knocked him over trying to spin his mirror. What the hell are you doing back there? This is where a lot of very wealthy people live here in San Antonio. I wouldn't say this is where, you know, the richest people in San Antonio live, but there are definitely some very nice houses up here. Oh, this should be fun. Whee! We need to take a left up here if I'm right. So we might be lost. This is not the road we were supposed to come up on. God damn it. go. I'm not an idiot, I just couldn't get into first. Alright, well, let's see where this road takes us. I'm very confident in saying I've never been down this road before. Oh shit, I'm in the wrong fucking lane. Safe to say I have no idea where the fuck I am. But like I said in previous videos, I've got a great sense of direction, so I still have somewhat of an idea where we are. Just not 110% certain. I have a feeling we're way too far north from where we need to be. Oh, the sun's right over our heads too. Can't even use that to help. Alright, we got a three-way stop up here. Only got two choices. Oh, I know where I am now. Yes, sweet. Okay, cool. This is Old Blanco Road. I can take this and it will loop us back around to New Blanco Road. Crisis averted. Guys, sorry we didn't end that video. GoPro, the card filled up probably about 10 to 15 minutes from the house, so we didn't actually get to do an outro. Me and Ms. Bike and Bird are now caging it up, going to get some food. We are absolutely dead tired. It's back-to-back days of non-stop outside in the sun doing fun stuff, so we're pretty much just gonna settle down and relax for the night.
Anything on that hot dog? Mustard and ketchup? Stop recording this.
Why?
Because I don't like it.
Because you know you're talking funny?
I am not. I'm only talking funny because I'm being nice to the people at the drive-thru. And I have to talk like a proper human being.
Should I scare the girl when she opens the window?
No, you shouldn't. Just lots of fry sauce. Lots of.
Hope you guys enjoyed the episode. Plenty more episodes to come with me and Bradley.
Bradford.
What?
Bradford.
Bradford. What do you guys like, Bradley or Bradford?
Bradford.
We're not gonna call him Brad because that's his actual name. Not Bradley, not Bradford, but we're gonna pick one or the other to choose from.
Team Bradford.
Anyways, guys, thank you for watching, and as always, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.